So then
You,
today we're talking about the nervous system and are you out of sync? There's a lot happening in the world today and everybody's feeling pulled this way and that way. And what do you believe? And, it's really hard on the nervous system. And the nervous system, you have two modes. You have your fear flight mode, which is your sympathetic, and your love healing mode, which is your autonomic. And so we really want to try to get into the autonomic. And if we are spending too much time listening to the outside world and not really going within, then we keep in the fear flight mode. There's a lot trying to keep us in the fear flight mode. And so we want to spend more time focusing inward and really focusing on what's going on with our bodies, what emotions are we feeling, and noticing that, and then using our breath, doing the basic things, getting enough sleep, getting enough water, getting enough sunlight, getting enough exercise. All of that helps calm that nervous system down. And the nervous system, we have a vagus nerve, and that vagus nerve is where a lot of our emotions come in, and we feel them through that vagus nerve. And we really want to calm that vagus nerve down. Different ways of calming that vagus nerve is actually, you can be singing, you can be toning, gargling actually helps calm that nervous system down. And so there's all these practices, and when we're not focused on that, we can really get out of sync. And there we are, we're not sleeping, or we just can't seem to calm our body down. And so we go back into what's organic for us, what is feeling good for us, eating things that are calming, spending silent time, and just breathing. All of that will help bring that nervous system down. We do at Healing Within, we're working a lot with trauma. And so things get triggered from the past. And so, coming in, doing sessions about releasing that trauma can really help calm those triggers down. And we've had a lot of clients feel so much better after they come in. They're coming in anxious. A lot of people feeling really anxious these days, and they can't really explain it. And we've had a lot of great success with people coming in. We're looking at the underlying issue, either a trigger, a trauma, or feeling hopeless. There's a lot of people feeling grief, feeling isolated, and all of these things can then make you feel really tired and fatigued, a lot pulling at you. And so give yourself a wonderful gift and get some help. We think we can do this on our own, and then we judge ourselves because we can't figure it out. And let go of those belief systems. We're here, we're part of a community, and really we need each other. We want each other to help each of us find our peace. Thanks for joining us.